Welcome back to my channel, guys, to my returning supporters. Thank you so much. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing and join the family. If you want to see how I made this dish, stick around, guys. Here's a run through of my ingredients. I have red, green, and orange bell pepper. I'm going to cut those in strips. I have onion and garlic. I'm going to cut all and put aside for later. This is a simple yet delicious vegetarian meal, guys. Sweet and sour chickpeas. I was thinking and I'm saying chickpeas is very versatile, you know, because I think you can substitute it with for any meal plan. You can curry it, you can stew it. It's very versatile from my point of view. Tell me in the comment section below what you think about it. Here's a full run through of all my ingredients. Here we have the vegetables that we cut earlier. We have some ketchup, some soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, our chickpeas of course, garlic, and black pepper. And I'm also going to use a little cornstarch for our sauce as well, okay? A full list will be down below in the description box. Okay guys, the hardest step is to combine all the ingredients for the sauce, and we're going to mix it and add a little water to make a slurry and put it aside for later, okay? Just watch the steps and you'll see what I mean. Time for cooking. Here I have a pot over medium to low flame, to which I had a small amount of oil to saute our vegetables that we cut earlier. I'm going to saute those for a minute. I still need them to have a little crunch, so we won't overdo it. After which I'm going to add my chickpeas and we move on from there. I'm just loving the colors. Don't know about you guys, but I love to eat food that has a lot of colors. Time to add our sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to add it to my pot. I'm also going to add about half a cup of water. I'm going to stir and just allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can serve, guys. Here I had about a tablespoon of golden sesame seeds. That's optional. I have it at home, so I just add it. And then we can serve. And here is my delicious plate of sweet and sour chickpeas served with some parboiled rice. I had a little color by adding some parsley to give it a little green touch. Hope you guys enjoy this video and also try this recipe, guys. And as usual, guys, please put your notification bell on. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye.